We'd like to introduce to you the most prolific online video communication suite the planet has ever seen. Welcome to the brand new launch of the MyVideoTalk Studio. This 100% online web video studio is an all-in-one video solution that allows you to manage, share, publish high-quality video with ease. Today you have the ability to not only brand yourself, your company, your website, or any other media that's available to you. With the MyVideoTalk Studio, you now have a leg up on your competition. Let's take a deeper look into the MyVideoTalk Studio and allow you to see the various products that we have and some great features for each product. The MyVideoTalk Studio's flagship product is called the MyVideo Broadcaster. Broadcasting yourself in high definition quality will allow you to be seen and heard anywhere in the world. Promoting your products, promoting your brand, promoting your company will never be easier than with the MyVideo Broadcaster. Let's take a look at a live MyVideo broadcast. I'm in the broadcast room right now, broadcasting to you live, and you can see how I've customized my room. You could look right above me and you could see a customized logo. You could also look to the left of me and you could see a customized banner. Both are fully customizable. Both will hyperlink to any website in the world. Let's look to the left where you can see I've uploaded some images for you to see where I'm promoting my brand. Directly in high definition, I'm able to upload PowerPoint presentations, Word documents. I'm able to share JPEGs, live videos, as well as do customer polls and customer surveys to allow me to interact with my customer base at any given time. You also have the ability to record your live broadcast and archive for later viewing. Our second product in the MyVideoTalk Studio is called the MyVideo Channel, your own personalized, fully customizable website that allows you to upload any videos that you would like. With the MyVideo Channel, you're able to add tags, add keywords, so definitely your website will be on top of any search engine worldwide. With no third-party banner ads or pop-ups, definitely this is your own personalized website that you don't even need a web designer or any hosting. MyVideoTalk takes care of everything for you with a simple click of a mouse. Some key features to the MyVideo Channel will be fully customized banner that's right above me. Also, you have the ability to store and add any videos onto the side of your channel that you would like. All the colorization that you see is fully customizable as well. And you also have the ability to add keywords to your website, add tags to your website, so you could be on top of any search engine in the world. Our third great product in the MyVideoTalk Studio is called the MyVideo Designer. The MyVideo Designer allows you to record yourself in high quality video and share it with the simplicity of an email. You've seen emails all around the world, and now you too can be in an email and come directly into anyone's inbox anywhere in the world. With full customization features with the MyVideo Designer templates, now you can create your own banners, you can create your own icons, you can create your own colors, you can add hyperlinks, and the great thing is the video comes in a beautiful thumbnail with your image directly into it. With the great play button that is on your video, all your guest has to do is simply click the button and they're going to hear you live. Another great product that you have in the MyVideoTalk Studio is called MyLiveLearning. MyLiveLearning is a great social platform that allows you to have the ability to learn many different things via the internet directly from your home or your home office. Streaming live to your PC, we have the ability now to bring incredible motivational speakers, incredible network marketing trainers. You also have the ability to have great social classes like cooking classes, yoga classes, and the list goes on and on and on and on. And this is just another great dimension and the power of MyVideoTalk Studio and how it can be used in many different facets for you. Let's recap on some of the features to each of the products that we shared with you earlier in the video. The MyVideoTalk Studio's flagship product is called the MyVideo Broadcaster. You also have the ability to have full customization in your broadcast room. You also have the ability to record your broadcast and share it for later use. With the MyVideo Channel, your own personalized website allows you now to have your own branded website, your own hosting space without any web design team or any hosting company, and the ability to share and promote your brand all over the world. The MyVideo Designer allows you now to also share yourself with the simplicity of email, creating your own virtual video email and coming directly live into your customer's inbox anywhere in the world as well. Full customization to all of our templates will allow you the ability to really showcase yourself in any which way, shape, or form. My Live Learning allows you to experience and increase your personal development and allows you to add these amazing tools to your existing business to add more profitability. To get more information on the My Video Talk Studio or to get any questions answered, simply contact the My Video Talk independent distributor that has shared this video with you today. We'd like to thank you for your time for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.